Okay, it's recording a real quick video to support the second problem-solving problem on the 7-1 problem-solving time. They went through about a spring my problem had. The spring was 8 centimeters below to 8 centimeters above, and the period took 7 seconds. They wanted to know when it was 7 centimeters above. Now, what they did on the problem in the verbiage is they defined the area up here to be less than 0 as negative. So they did this, they did some fancy-dancy manipulation on the wording just to get you to use the formula d of t equals -7, just so you could put -7 here, and then when you divide by 8, you've got this negative to deal with, and that's just going to make your cosine over here. So just like the satellite problem, you need to make sure your calculator's in radians. You're going to use this to calculate the period. You're going to use inverse cosine right here. That's about 2.64. In this case, you can still subtract 2.64 from 2 pi and get 3.65. That's how you find out for cosine is always related to 2 pi. Sine is always going to be related to 0 or pi. At any rate, same thing. Once you find out the cosine inverse is equal to this stuff, 2.64, do inverse operations, multiply by 7, divide by 2 pi. Boom. We've got the time is 2.94 seconds. So right there is 2.94 seconds, and then right there is 4.06 seconds. And they want you, this is the plus 2 pi n concept that we talked about in class. You add 7 times some number because the period is 7. 2 pi over b is the period. 2 pi over 7. What is division? Multiplying by the reciprocal. Look what happens. The 2 pi's cancel out. The period is 7 seconds, just like is shown in the graph right here. So at 2.94 and 4.066 plus 7 seconds for each of those, that thing's going to be back at 7 centimeters. So use this as your roadmap to solve the second problem-solving problem. Whoops, didn't hit stop.